guys, now we're videoing. Okay, let's go. Actually guys, my parents
Pwede ka sumama kay mami mo.
and my parents actually look on this mess, bro. Look. Bro, look at this mess. See? Bro. Nah, this will took so long, bro. You see, I'm gonna fix this, okay? Just wait here. Just wait. I'll fix this. You see that? Wait. You see this? This what they call a mess. So we will put it right here. You see this door? They open it like this, and they lock it. So put it right here, and you see the thing. Wait, I'll go. So, guys, you see this ping pong ball? Bro, you see this ping pong ball? Wait, hey, chill. See? Thing. See this? Put it right here, next to the door. Wait, let me open the door. So I opened the door. The ball is not there. So I need to find more, okay? Just wait, okay? Just give me a sec. Just give me a second. Ma, live. Nagano ko, video. I'm doing a picture. Ito, ma. Do this. Nah, this is a mess. Nasaan na pala yung one ko kinititsan? Nandyan lang kanina yun. 30. Me? I will put it here. See that? A mess. Umiyak ka na naman, tanga. Kanina kasi hindi mo inaano. Oh, my battery is crying. Battery is crying. Andyan ka kasi, hindi mo itago. Siyempre, meron naman tayong bisita. Sa lababo, ka na nito. Di kilala. Kanina mama, nandiyan yung mga sandok. Inano nila yung sand. Purple. Nasaan? Nandiyan o. Nasaan yung sand? Kinalat nila yung purple sand dyan. Kinalat nila, wala na. Saan mo nakita ba? Yan o. Saan? Sabihin mo, Bot. Sabihin mo. Diba nandito yung purple sand? Ay, siya ginawa nila. Siguro, nilagay nila dito. Nilagay another saint is missing. I think, my friend, I think he stole it. Yan, bagay niya. Bro, look at that mess, bro. You see that? Man, all the mess. Okay, my video is ended. Bye. See you again.